Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error. So guys, when you try to install any update like iOS 26 beta profile from any website, and you will see this type of error again and again, I will show you how can you fix this problem and how can you install your new update or any other thing from your Safari browser. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general. And guys, after this you need to make sure that you are using latest version of iOS possible install that you have in your iPhone, and after this scroll it below, and from here disconnect your VPN if connected, and now guys you need to go back. So guys, after this scroll it below, and from here you will see the option of screen time, click on it, and now you have to click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here. And now guys, you have to go back, and after this scroll it down, and guys from here you have to click on apps, and now you have to open Safari. So guys, as you will see, you have to scroll it down, open Safari, and now you have to scroll it down for more, and here is the option of clear history and website data. So guys, simply you have to select all history and you need to clear all the history, and now scroll it down, click on advanced, and after this you have to click on feature flags, and you need to scroll it below, and here is the option of reset all to defaults. You have to click on it, and after this your Safari browser will be reset. So guys, now you have to open your Safari, and you can easily install any update from your Safari browser in iPhone or iPad. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then no need to worry. You have to connect your iPhone with laptop or PC, and you need to install 3U tool in your laptop or PC, and after connecting your iPhone to laptop, then you can easily install any update through 3U tool app. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.